Hi athletes, this video will explain MyPAHL's personalized action plan. Your action plan is created for you based on the answers you gave in the health risk assessment questionnaire. After you've completed the questionnaire and received your health score, scroll down to see your personalized action plan. The plan includes 6 different categories: nutrition, stress, sleep, alcohol, smoking, and physical activity. These categories will be organized differently for everyone based on your personal health. The categories that you have to work on most will be at the top and highlighted in red. The categories that you need a little bit of improvement on will be in the middle and highlighted in yellow. The categories you are performing the best at and need the least amount of improvement will be at the bottom and be highlighted in green. Click on one of the categories to activate your action plan. MyPAHL will ask you a few questions about each category, like how important it is to you and your health, and how likely you think it is that you'll be able to improve in this category. Then you will receive 3 steps for the category: learn, track, and rate. Explore each one of these steps each day to earn up to 300 points. The Learn step provides several small facts that teach you about the category and how it impacts your health. There are a few short facts built into the step that you can rate for 5 points. You can earn 100 points for reading a whole article on the category and answering a few questions on the topic. Click Open Full Module for the full article. The Track step provides a link to MyPAHL's built-in trackers. You receive 25 points for starting the tracker, 25 points for setting a reminder, and 25 points every time you use the tracker. Watch the tracker video for more information on this feature and how to add trackers. Then click Track Now. The Rate step checks in to see how you are feeling about this category and its impact on your health. Earn 10 points for rating this category each day. You will also receive a weekly tip that helps you keep on track. Earn 5 points for reading and rating how useful this weekly tip is. Move on to the next category and complete the Learn, Track, and Rate steps for each one. The more often you complete these steps, the more points you earn. Don't forget to use your points to bid on items in the reward store each month. Stay tuned for more videos on how to use the MyPAHL platform. Let's get fit together.